Hi everyone, Tiffany here, and I am doing my very first nail video tutorial. And today we are going to do this gradient design right here, which is like a French manicure, but instead of like a hard edge on the tip, the effect is that it looks like it's gradually fading into the rest of the nail. See that? Now to do this design, I use these craft sponges right here that you can get at Michael's. I buy a whole pack at Michael's and they're cheap. You get a whole bunch for like $2. And I just cut a piece off of it, just like this. See? And I already prepped my other hand with 2 coats of Zoya Jules. Okay. And then for the tip, I'm going to use Sephora by OPI Never Enough Shoes, which is a black with specks of gold glitter in it, sorry. Okay, so what I do is, I've already prepped my nails with tape around the edges, and it's just regular Scotch tape. And what that does is it just makes cleanup a little easier. So, I like to put the nail polish straight on the actual sponge. Okay. And then what you want to do is you just start on the very edge, gently patting, and you go straight across. And you want to start at the very edge. Okay, let's get some more. And you want to tap very lightly on the nail, because if you tap too hard, it takes off a lot of the polish that you just put on. So. Okay. You do that with all the nails. Then just let it dry a little bit, and you go back and you go a little further back, still tapping ever so lightly, going straight across. Okay. Now you could also put the polish on like a plastic plate or any kind of like plastic hard surface. I just like to put the nail polish right on the sponge, because then I just feel like I'm using less polish just by putting it directly on the sponge. Okay. And of course you just keep going until you get the desired effect that you like. But most important is you just want it to look like it's blending into the rest of the nail. You don't want like a real hard line. Okay, now we're going to let that dry. And then once that dries, you put a nice top coat on it, and that way you won't have so much texture over the nail. And that's it. That's how you get the gradient nail effect. Hope you like it. Please excuse me, I'm a little nervous. This is my first video, but there will be many more to come along. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and thank you for visiting my blog.